Howdy ho, all you beautiful people out there. So what we've got here, this is a 1995 going from Iceland. It's 100 kroner with a fish on it. Looks like a piranha, but it probably isn't. But right, first of all, yep, you guessed it, we've got to punch a hole in it. So let's do just that, shall we? I'm feeling very organised today. Ah dear. Nice chat with you last night, Beard. Well, texting. Not texting, for God's sake. Comments. Right. Yeah, I'm looking forward to your first ring, mate. No market today for me. There's no boat. It's very windy. It's at 10 meters per second, which is pushing it for the tents and everything, you know. Right. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers again. Thank you very much. If you're new to the channel, there's a little red button down there. You hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Right. I've got my window open. Hence the noise. I just put a new blade in, Christy Burr. That's very good. Right, so let's heat it up a bit with Bernie and show it a bit of love. Jaws turned up again. Right. Yeah, they come to collect the bottles. Is it 90? I think it's 95 or 98% of all the plastic bottles are recycled, because there's quite a big deposit on them. So everybody hands them in, you know, 20 cents a bottle, the big ones. People even make a living going around collecting them. Right. What we're going to go for? Well, it's going to have to be this sunny side up on the ring, isn't it? So this goes face down, my little doming block. Yeah, every supermarket has a facility for you taking in your empty bottles. You put them in the machine one at a time, and it adds up the money, and you usually walk out with 10 or 12 euros. I mean, it's well, I don't take them. Yeah, I take them about, once my bag is full up, usually about 10, 12 euros for nothing. I mean, it's not bad, is it, really? Right, we need a 17-degree folding die. Is this one any good? No. What about this one? There's not much in there neither. I'll give it a bit in this one, but not too much. Then I can transfer it to the, let's put a bit of the old jollop in there. My coconut oil has gone solid again. It's a bit cooler now. Right. Let's give that a little bit of the old hoochie coochie. I don't want to go too far. I don't want to push it all the way through without screw the coin up. Now will it fit? Yeah. That's good. Oh yeah, look at this, Mr. Organised. I can actually find stuff. You just sort of clean up that edge, make sure it's good, clean, yummy. How's that looking? Yeah, pretty sexy. Pretty damn sexy. This kitchen roll is good. Instead of it being a full sheet, they're like half sheets. So I didn't know you could get them. I just bought the kitchen roll and thought that's weird. Right. Well, that just protects the text on the inside of the coin. Otherwise you lose all the detail. I'll be going to the market tomorrow. There's a boat tomorrow. I've had a couple of good days though without any boats. It's been quite good. A lot of Americans in town. Let's warm it up again. Loads of Canadians about. You have to be careful when you say where you're from. I used to say, are you from America? No, we're from Canada. And vice versa. Are you from Canada? No, we're from America. Because to me, you all say the bloody same. So I just say now, where are you from? Unless they're walking around with a big hat on and a cigar and a jumper saying USA, then obviously you know where they're from. That's funny sometimes. You know, then they come up to my store and have a look. You know, they've got the big hat, he's got a big fat cigar in his mouth, big jumper saying USA or Texas. Then I do say to her, I says, where are you from then? You know, a bit of fun. Have the crack with people. Right, that bow is gone. See that? That is quite sexy. Now this isn't for anybody in particular, but I'm going to give it a little bit more. So if you're from Iceland and you're looking for a ring, I've got one. I can adjust the size for you, up or down. I think that'll do. Yeah, this isn't for anybody in particular. It's just for me making a coin ring. So let's warm it up again because it was getting a bit work hard. And we'll go down to the bottom end of the spike. Okie dokie. Right, this is the bottom of the spike, and this little gadget straightens the walls up, makes it more ring-like. But you don't have to go crazy. You can go too much, then you've got to put it back on spike again, and there you go. Look at them walls, lovely and straight. So, well, there's probably a lip inside. Yeah, there is. See that? See that lip? You want to get that out. I'll give my friend one of these to try. He does a lot of 3D printing. And he said the one he got with his tool was a bit crap. And I gave him one of my blades and they're really good. He liked it. Now that is beautiful. So let's clean it up a bit. I'm going to take out Felton John. I'll whack in. The one and only Kate Bush. A bit more volume, eh? And this is also good for cleaning up that edge that you just cut out. It makes it nice and smooth. You don't see any tool marks. Right, let's take out Kate. I'm going to put in Felton. Look at this, the lid is still there. Unbelievable. Right. Let's polish it up a bit. Right, what have we got? Let's clean off the old mingers. Get out the green goddess. These bloody names are out of control. Right, what have we got? Oh yeah, lovely jubbly. Yeah, if you're looking for a ring, you can go to my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's some other bits and pieces in there beside rings, but I can adjust the size on all of them for you. If you want me to make you a ring, I'll do the video as well. You get the video for free. It's all included. It's a little something to keep for you. All I need is your ring size or whoever's finger you want it made for. Get there, you can even send me your own coins. Right, what have we got? That came out rather nice. And that's why you use the kitchen roll. There's not a lot of detail in there because you only had a fish, but there you go. What size we got? We've got a size. This is a size 11 1/4, just over. So thank you all so much for your support and your comments and hitting that button for me. Hit the like button, come on, show me some love. And fits this finger perfectly. Have a great day and be lucky. So bye bye.